It is 3 a.m. The rest of the world is asleep, but you are wide awake, staring at a screen. Red and green lines are violently jagged, moving up and down by the second. You swipe over to TikTok to take a break. The very first video on your feed is a 19-year-old kid in Dubai. He is leaning against a neon green Lamborghini, telling you how he just made $10,000 before he even ate breakfast. You swipe down. Another kid, younger than you, bragging about a crypto coin that just shot up 300%. You lock your phone and stare up at the dark ceiling. A heavy, suffocating pressure sits right on top of your chest. It's a terrifying, sickening feeling. It's the feeling that everyone else in the world is getting rich without you. You feel like you're running out of time. You feel like if you don't figure this out right now, you are going to be stuck working a miserable job for the rest of your life. So you make a decision. You are going to get in the game.
Welcome to Arthur Finance. Today we are going to expose the biggest trap designed for our generation. You feel that desperate panic to get rich quick, so you download a flashy trading app on your phone. You want to day trade. You want the fast money. But here is the dark, brutal secret that those influencers will never tell you. The massive corporations that built that trading app do not want you to get wealthy. In fact, there is one specific, deeply hidden psychological trick, a literal weaponized line of code built into the very foundation of these apps. It was put there for one reason: to quietly, legally drain every single dollar out of your bank account. By the end of this documentary, I am going to show you exactly what that trick is. I will show you how the entire fast money game is rigged against you, and exactly what the actually wealthy people do instead to build quiet, unbreakable freedom. Let's trace exactly how the trap snaps shut. You link your bank account to the shiny new trading app. You deposit your hard-earned savings, $500, maybe $1,000. You find a trending stock or a crypto coin that everyone online is screaming about. You hit buy. For the next 10 minutes, you don't blink. You watch the chart. And then it happens. The line shoots up. It turns bright neon green. You just made $200 in 15 minutes. Your brain completely explodes with a chemical called dopamine. This is the exact same chemical that floods your brain when you win a hand of poker or eat a massive amount of sugar. It feels incredible. The trading app screen lights up. Digital confetti rains down over your screen. A big green arrow points up. You feel like an absolute genius. Instantly, you start doing the mental math. You tell yourself, wait, if I just make $200 every 15 minutes, that's $800 an hour. I can drop out of university. I can quit my job by next month. The trap is now perfectly set because the app just successfully disguised massive financial risk as a fun, harmless video game. The next day, you want that feeling again, but this time you want a bigger win. You get overconfident. The app asks if you want to use margin. They don't use scary words to explain it, but margin simply means the app is letting you borrow their money to place much bigger, wildly dangerous bets. You click yes. You buy in. You stare at the screen, waiting for the green line. But instead, a violent, massive red candle drops down the chart. The price falls. You panic. Your heart rate spikes. Your palms start sweating against the back of your phone. You tell yourself to hold on, that it will bounce back. It drops again. And then the screen flashes. Your account balance reads $0.00. You were liquidated. Because you borrowed money to bet, the app automatically sold everything to protect itself, wiping you out completely. The dopamine is gone. Now there is only physical sickness, a knot in your stomach so tight you can barely breathe. You realize in one horrifying second that this wasn't a video game. This wasn't Monopoly money. That was your real rent money. That was your survival money, and it is gone forever. To understand why this happened to you, we have to pull the curtain back. We have to look at the macro system. You did not fail because you aren't smart. You failed because you were playing a game against the house, and the house never loses. Welcome to the financial entertainment industry. These highly popular trading apps on your phone, they are not investing platforms. They are casinos in your pocket. Remember that hidden trick I told you about? Here it is. The brokers who run these apps do not care if you make $1 million, and they do not care if you lose everything. They make their billions on something called friction. Every single time you press buy or sell, the app takes a microscopic, almost invisible slice of the money. It's a fee disguised in the transaction. This means the only way the massive corporations make billions of dollars is if you are constantly, nervously, aggressively pressing those buttons. If you buy a safe asset and just hold it for 10 years, the app makes almost zero money off you. They need you to be addicted to the action. That is why they hired the exact same psychologists who designed casino slot machines in Las Vegas. They use bright flashing colors, loud notifications, and digital confetti to trigger your brain. They want you stressed out. They want you trading on the toilet, trading in the back of your classroom, trading at 3 a.m. You are not an investor to them. You are a user, and you are paying the highest possible price for their entertainment. There are exactly two types of people in the modern financial system. The first is the gambler. The gambler is terrified of missing out. The gambler wants the dopamine hit today. They want a screenshot of the massive win to post on their Instagram stories so everyone thinks they are a genius. The gambler trades their precious hard-earned money for adrenaline. And mathematically, the gambler almost always ends up completely broke. The second type of person is the architect. The architect does not care about looking rich on the internet today. The architect is trading their money to buy absolute, unbreakable freedom for tomorrow. If you look at the truly generationally wealthy people in the world, they are not sitting in dark rooms day trading crypto coins on their phones. They do the most boring thing imaginable. They build the boring machine. They take a percentage of their income and they buy simple cash-flowing assets. They buy broad market index funds, which is just a simple way of saying they buy a pre-packaged basket of the top 500 most successful companies in the world. They buy it, and then they do the hardest thing in the world. They close the app. They go outside. They live their actual lives. They don't check the charts. They let the global economy do the heavy lifting for them while they sleep. It isn't sexy. It doesn't come with digital confetti, but it works. Every single time.
Let's look at you 5 years from now. You deleted the casino apps. You stopped trying to outsmart algorithms built by billionaires. You chose to be the architect. You no longer wake up at 3 a.m. in a cold sweat checking the Asian markets. You don't care what the fake influencers on TikTok are doing, because you realize that the ultimate status symbol in this generation is not a leased Lamborghini. It is not a designer watch. It is not a screenshot of a lucky trade. The true flex is an unbothered mind. The true flex is knowing that while you are walking down the street, hanging out with your friends, or sleeping soundly in your bed, your money is quietly, relentlessly multiplying in the background. The fast money trap is an illusion designed to steal your focus and your cash. But you don't have to play their game. You can step out of the casino today, right now, and start building the foundation of your own empire. If you're ready to delete the casino, if you're ready to stop gambling and start building, go down to the comments right now and type the word architect. Let the algorithm know that you are officially stepping out of the trap. We decode the cold, hard logic of money every single week. Hit subscribe, turn on the bell, and welcome to Arthur Finance. I'll see you in the next one.